Guys, after Moab, I think it might be time for new bungee cords. I think they took a beating. They should be able to last the trip, hopefully. I don't think the water's gonna fall out. It's friggin' 20 pounds, but yeah. Alright guys, we made it to Colorado. We are gonna head to the campsite now. It's pretty developed. It's got a fee too, so we're gonna head through here. I don't need to air down, I don't think, but it's only 5 miles regardless. But yeah. Oh, I think I'm already going the wrong way though, maybe. One thing about this spot, I know it's gonna be really windy, and I'm like wondering if there's gonna be tumbleweeds in the road like last time that I have to clear up. Guess we'll see. Well, I don't see any tumbleweeds yet, but look at the grass blowing. Y'all see that? All right, y'all, made it to the spot. Just booked the reservation. Ended up being $28, which is kind of spendy, but I guess it'll have to do. It's got a pretty good view, I guess. Colorado River down there. I'll walk down there a little later and show you guys closer up. It's kind of cool. I think I get LTE service here. Yeah, so I'll be able to know when to leave in the morning. Someone left me some firewood. So, I mean, what? That's like $6 worth of firewood right there. And it is windy, but I did park by this tree. So that should help block the wind because it's coming from that way. So my tent shouldn't be too flappy aroundy. Is that a word? I mean, it's not. But yeah, it's this will do. The tree kind of smells good too. Considering I haven't paid for the other 2 campsites on this trip so far, not bad. But yeah, it's a Tuesday too, so I don't know why it's so expensive, but whatever. Just the way of the world these days. I had to back up on my traction boards, level it out a little bit better, but yeah, if it's not too windy tonight, I might try and have a fire, but I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty windy all night. Otherwise, I'll just take that firewood with me. But yeah, I'm gonna set up. But this is the other campsite I wanted to show you guys. This is like right on the Colorado border. all set up. I need to try and look at my diesel heater because the plug's bad. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. I won't need the diesel heater tonight, but you know, I'm gonna be in Colorado for a little while and definitely gonna need it there, or want it. But see if I could get it working. I'm gonna have to like splice some wires, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I at least want to try. I got an extra plug, so we'll see. All right, y'all, got the new tumbleweed, got the new plug installed. Hopefully it works. I mean, I tested it out and it had power and it was working for a little bit. I think it's just so windy, it might have blew out the flame or something, because after about 10 minutes it shut off, but it still had power the whole time, so it's not the plug's fault, at least anymore. But yeah, glad I could get that fixed for now, temporarily fixed. But yeah, it's so windy here. But yeah, it actually feels pretty good because it's like 85. I don't mind the little wind. Got my chores out of the way, fixing this thing. It should come in handy in Colorado, hopefully. But I won't need it tonight because it's... Let me look and see what the weather's like tonight. It is 76 right now, actually, where I'm camped. It's gonna get down to... Dang, it's gonna get down to 44. Didn't expect it to go down that much. But I think it's supposed to be colder tomorrow. Yeah, it's a high of 82 today. It's a high of 63 tomorrow. But 44, I should be fine with my sleeping bag. I don't need to set up the diesel heater, and I probably couldn't anyway because of the wind. But at least I got it fixed for the next few days or week or however long I'm camping. But yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys. I got it all set up. And yeah, let's relax now and enjoy our camping. Y'all probably can't tell, but I did organize a little bit. Water, trash, wooden box that I had to have, diesel heater stuff, wood, tire inflator, air compressor, extra clothes that I just need to bring home, sleeping bag, table, axe shovel, and then I got a bunch of stuff in there, but that's more like recovery stuff if I get stuck, that I just always keep in the Jeep. But yeah, looking a little decent, but gotta do what I can when I'm moving across the country. Well, it's already 6 o'clock actually, so let's head down by the water. I'll show you guys the cool edge over there. It's the Colorado River. We got a train track down there. Got some river rafters. It looks like there might be camping down there. Down on that beach. Yeah, pretty sick view. A little too windy though. I'm like scared I'm gonna get blown off the edge. Guys, I was just hiking up the cliffside and I found a geocache. It's in a little ammo box, but not many people have come across this. There's a 2021, 2022, and then 2 2024s, and then actually this year been quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm the 6th person this year in May. Someone actually saw it like a few days ago, which is crazy. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Some stuff in here. We got a koozie, toy car, dinosaur pendant thing, Grand Cayman, whatever that is. Yeah, a little army guy. Couple golf balls, couple pennies. But yeah, I wish I had something to put in here. Yeah, I don't really have anything with me, so unless I leave you guys here, just leave you in the box. They could find my whole trip. They could watch it back. The next person. Yeah, I don't have crap. Oh well. Time to walk back to the Jeep. That's kind of cool to find though. Bone apple teeth before it blows away. Alright y'all, it's already getting chilly and too windy for a fire, so here's the sunset. And yeah, I'm gonna climb up in the tent, maybe watch a movie, and get to bed. Good morning, y'all. Man, I look rough. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the view from my tent real quick. If it would focus. Look right out and see the Colorado River and the bluffs. Pretty cool. But yeah, I'm getting packed up. I want to get out of here by 8:30, so it's like 8 right now, so I gotta get going. I got everything packed up in the tent right now though, so just gotta throw it in the Jeep. Probably not gonna make breakfast this morning. I'm just gonna have an apple and a granola bar and then get on the road. I got at least 4.5, probably closer to 5 hours to get to Denver. Probably another 30 minutes to get off the trail, so yeah, let's get going. Tell me why I rearranged last night and now I feel like I have less room in here. I also just put a little bit of wood in here, but it's so packed. Anyways, let's get on the road. Bungee cords finally gave out, guys. Man, I really didn't think that the water one would give, or fly out, because this thing weighs like frickin' 30 pounds, or maybe even more than that. But I think I got extra bungee cords. I hit one bump too hard. All right, new bungees on. Took me a while. I had to dig them out from under all this stuff. But got my shirt all dirty. It's so hard to keep yourself clean when you're camping. Not just the fact that there's, you know, maybe no shower, but freaking everything is dusty, dirty. Look at that. I just hit my arm on this bag. I got another white shirt that I'm gonna change into when I get to Denver, because I just will get it dirty before then. Guys, I missed it, but we hit 39,000 miles. We are now on the way to Denver. Got 4 hours left, but wanted to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna be doing some Colorado adventures. I'm probably gonna pick up a new SD card so I can film some more. But yeah, thanks for watching. Oh my God, it's raining. But yeah, thanks. Check out my Moab videos and stuff. See ya.